How to find someone on TikTok. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Then, at the top right corner of your screen, click on magnifying glass-like option. After you click on it, you'll find search pop up. In here, you can type in the sound they have used TikTok in or they have made TikTok in. After you search the sound, you'll find different users in here. You can select the user you want to find. You can also click on users at the top and search, or click on videos and scroll through the videos till you find the person. You can also click on sounds at the top. After you click on sounds, if you remember the specific sound they've used, click on it and then search for the person in here. This is how to find someone on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.